Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both accounts are ready. Log into Canva and Etsy, and make sure your seller settings and payment information are correct. Once done, export your initial design from Canva in the correct format, 300 dpi PNG or print-ready PDF, so it uploads cleanly. Make sure file names are descriptive and include size specs. Also enable two-step verification on Etsy for security, because connecting accounts and listing sensitive items needs extra protection. Next, export directly from Canva. Choose PNG for digital art, PDF for printables, or group assets into a zip if you have multiple files. Once downloaded, go to your Etsy dashboard and create a new listing. Upload the exported file, and fill in title, description, tags, and pricing. Be precise about file types and dimensions in the description so buyers know what to expect. Use Etsy's instant download option for digital products to automate delivery immediately after purchase. Finally, preview your listing and perform a test purchase or download to confirm file integrity and delivery. Once satisfied, publish the listing and monitor first transactions to catch issues early. If buyers report problems, replace files in the listing or relist with corrected assets. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail or preview shows errors, clear browser cache, rename files to remove special characters, or compress files below Etsy's limits. These steps solve most upload and compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.